Welcome to the geometry directions page, I guess is the best way to put it. We're going to show you how to navigate our website in case you're still having issues. So I'm going to do this through sharing. So you're going to see this kind of in the background. So this is one of the two methods that you can use to find our website. You can Google search or Yahoo search or use some kind of search engine to look for LHHS Keeney, basically Mr. Keeney. And it'll be the first thing that pops up. Or you can type in the web address sites.google.com/site/LHHS Keeney. If you are on a phone, this will be vertical instead of horizontal. You can either click on the word geometry or the kitty cat. Everything in here does either or. So I'm going to click on that. And this page has a lot of information on there, but don't go below the very top where it says Chapter 12 Online. That's the most important part. So you're going to either click the words or click the picture. And now you see another picture of a kitty cat. And so this kitty cat right here has calculator. And there are basically three parts to this page. There is the part that allows you to access a Google Drive that has PDF documents. There are the links to the teacher's email addresses. And then there are the digital links to videos and assignments. What's the difference between the assignments at the top and the assignments at the bottom? Is that the assignments at the top are actual documents that you can choose to download and print off. They are not required because you'll get those same exact questions down here in the digital area. So let's start at the top. If you want to see the notes or print off the notes that are already pre-filled in a PDF format, you would go here. If you want to see the assignment in a PDF format, you go here. Again, you can either click on notes and assignments or you can click on the kitty cat. So once you click on the kitty cat, it will open up a new tab that has taken you to a Google Drive. And so you're going to navigate within here. If you want to look at the assignments, you'll click on assignments. So here are all the assignments for week 1, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Again, you may choose to print them off, but it is not required. Then you can go back and look at the notes. These are pre-filled in notes. They're already in a PDF format. Again, you can print them off, but you don't have to. If you are wondering about some questions or the instructions, again, they're both right here, again, optional. But because I'm in a new tab, I need to go back to the old tab and go down to the digital part. That's the part we want to go to. Most of the time, well, all of the time except for this set of notes right here, all of the notes are going to be a YouTube video. Right now, this one is not ready because we have not got to week 2 yet. The only exception is the notes for week 1. They are strictly a document that you need to look at. But for all assignments, you will be submitting them through a Google form. Please make sure that you enter your email address, your full last name, your full first name, select your teacher so we can see your grade per teacher. You also need to select the period. There'll be a set of instructions. In this case, only enter the number, do not put the units, and then you will do your problem. So here's the same exact question that you would have found on the PDF form. It's just here for you to enter the score. So since it's a trapezoid, you're going to do 6 plus 9, which is 15, and then divide that in half. So 7.5. Because since one's short and one's long, you need an average. So 6 plus 9 divided by 2. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Times the height is 4, or times 4 is 30. So 7.5 times 4 is 30. And it should be 30 square feet. But remember what the note said, not the units. So as soon as I try to put in the units, it reminds me, don't put in the units. Once you're fully done with the entire assignment, you will submit your assignment. Oh, look, I didn't do what I was supposed to do. And that's why it came out with telling me I needed to go back and do that. Again, please make sure that you put your entire first and last name. You can put in a hyphen there. Whichever teacher applies, whichever period applies. So you'll fill in all these answers. I'll put in gobbledygook here, just so that we get some answers that we can put in here. Because you'll still have to work this out, of course, yourself. Oops, I don't know why it auto-filled, but I can go ahead and clear. I can type right over that, not a problem. And then here's our final answer, where we're finding the area of the trapezoid minus the area of the hexagon. We're going to get some weird answer that's probably going to be a decimal, and I'm going to submit. Okay. So at this point, I can view my scores or edit my responses if I've decided at this point, oh, I missed one. So view my score. I only got one right, but as I scroll down, it'll show me what I did right and what I did wrong, so I can fix it if I wanted to go back and redo that. If for any reason your score isn't done correctly, for example, let's say you put in 30, but it said it was wrong, that's fine. I will see your answers and I will be able to change the score for you in the end. So that is how you enter your assignment on a Google form. So I'm going back to my questions, and you can see for week 1, we have an additional assignment, but it's 3 parts, so that's why each part has its own link. And again, they are Google Forms that you will fill in and submit. Come Monday morning at 8 a.m., the next week will open up. So everything here for week 2 will open up Monday, the 6th of April at 8 a.m. And again, the notes will be a YouTube video that you can watch. And the assignment will be a fill-in-the-blank form. As you can see, it's not yet open because it's not April 6th yet. So one more time in review, you can either get to our website by typing in the site's address, sites.google.com/site/LHHS Keeney, or you can just do a Google search or some type of search for LHHS Keeney. So hopefully you have played around with Zoom with some other teachers as well. If not, we're going to give it another shot on Friday the 3rd. Look for a link to be sent to you to invite you to our next session. Otherwise, there'll be regular meetings on Wednesday at 10 a.m. and Thursdays at 1 p.m. that you can choose to join or not choose. And again, I will send that information to you. The Zoom lessons are not particularly a time in which I am going to be teaching the lesson. That's what the videos are for. It's more of a question-answer session. If you need additional assistance or you need questions on some problems that you have, I'm happy to answer those. Enjoy your time at home. I know it's getting a little tiresome already and we haven't done it so far, but we're going to get through this, and this is going to be a nice new learning experience for all of us.